Hey, what's up guys? I'm 18. Welcome to my channel. Subscribe and like this channel. I don't know. I'm bad in English, so forgive me. I start learning harder. Maybe I'm very lazy. Very video about my last Christmas. I'm roll bass. No? What you say, black guy? With video about how to become a Sigma Giga Chat. Do you know what this means? Maybe you watch video in TikTok, YouTube. It's about how men reacted to flirt of women. About this sucks. Do you like it? Main thing, it's photograph. Yes, like this. And we got this. We must do our enquete to find a girl, of course. It's like whole Sigma riding. Green. Yes, buddy, you can write your age. What you gonna do with a person? Don't be very special. Be intelligent and don't become very special and very strange to women. We done with our enquete. You ask me what we gonna do next. Next, what it's come. It's a fine girl in this shitty site. It's my life hack. I don't use it, but you must show people with no beautiful look with beautiful text, because text is important. And you know why? Very cool girl. No. Perfect choice.
Вот, Катя, это твоя вагина, как будто бы. Как бы я с ней поступал?
Куни, блядь, это так охуенно, блядь.
With beautiful text, because text is important.
If you find your true love or something like this, you must go with her to dating. Yes, it's a next round to how get girl. You must to do change your closet. Yes, man, you choose a style what you prefer. Oh crap! I wait for her. I don't know, maybe 3 or 4 hours, and she not coming. Waiter, vodka. Thank you. So I'm Russian, and what we do before a dating? It's drunk. Водка пиво, под конец корпоратива. Отдыхаем, мы красиво. Oh, it's she. Am I look nice? I don't know.
Hey, sorry for waiting. Is it me? Yeah.
Oh, crap. Hello, my name is Haitin. What about you?
Oh, hello. My name Olga.
Oh, shit. You look different from your pictures. Hey man, stop. You don't talk about what she look like. What is this? So, Olga, what's your favorite food? What you waiting for?
I don't fucking know what are you saying. Please give me a vodka.
I don't think so. Do you know how to use this shit? You use a knife and this shit. I don't know how it's in English. Just don't think about her.
I came from my husband who tried to kill me and beat all the days. What you can say about your?
Maybe I called to 911 and they helped to me. So put 1, 2, play. What the hell? Fuck.
You so fucking dumb and ugly. I don't like you.
Just don't think about her.
Maybe you grow balls and be a man and not a chicken in this costume. What are you wearing?
Hey, what you say about my...
Come on.
Fuck. I'm wearing woman clothing. What's happening? I became to fanboy. No comments. Oh. More video in my profile. Please check subscribe. Bye guys.